Hey guys, going crazy here, making more videos again. Today guys, we have some trim pieces that we're going to be installing on the Highlander. So without further ado, let's get to it. So when I say door trim, I'm talking about right here. Let me open the door. And on the Highlander, there's some kind of empty black spots right here that look dull, not high quality, just black. And it's kind of weird it's black, to be honest, because everything else has like a nice silver trim to it, as you can see on the other side as well, all this silver trim right here. But this happens to be all black, and then the other side as well, so you see it's all black right there, even though there's a nice silver trim going right there, right here. So I wanted to match something, and I found them online. They should do the trick. They should do the trick, guys. So let's go check it out. So here are the two boxes right here. They're for both types of Highlanders. And what I mean both types, I'm going to show you in a second. Let me open the first one right here. Pour out all the contents. Nothing else in the box itself. Let me put it down to the side. Oh, and I totally forgot. I also got one of these guys. I've got some red ones, and there should be some silver ones in that one. Valve caps, you know what I mean, for your tires right there. And I got some metal ones right here as well. I wanted to give these to my friend who has a red truck, and I have some silver ones I'm going to be putting on here. I love my metal ones right here. They're nice. They're awesome, but I like the darker silver, so I might put those on. But this is what I'm talking about, the two types of Highlander. So this is the first type of Highlander right here. It has these buttons right here for the memory settings for your vehicle, okay? In my Highlander, I don't have the memory settings. However, if you do, you got yourself covered, guys. So this is the first type right here, and then obviously the second type, take everything out and then put it down to the side. And this is the second type right here that doesn't have any of the holes or anything like that, and that should fit in my Highlander. And like I said as well, these are silver valve caps, gun metallic, whatever you want to call it, that I'm going to be installing later on. Not right now, but later on. These are some awesome covers, and the red ones are going to look awesome on my friend's red truck, guys, a Tundra. You guys already know the Tundra. So we have 4 for each because there's 4 in each. There's 2 on the front right here, 1 right here, 1 on the other side. I can't wait to install it. Look how dull it looks. It's going to just elevate the look of this handles, and also as well of the passenger. Don't forget the passenger. I'm gonna bring some lighting in here so I can show you how I install it right here. But yeah, the passenger is right here, and then 1 on the other side as well. I'm gonna show you in a second. Alrighty guys, it's much better. You can definitely see it now. There's a lot of lighting, and I have the 2 for different vehicles, for the one without the 3 buttons right here, and the one with the 3 buttons. What I mean by that is, obviously here are the holes for that. I don't need this one, so I'm gonna put this one down to the side. Make sure you choose the ones you require, and this is the one I actually require. So I'm gonna be putting the silver thing basically right there, making it look a lot cleaner than this. Here's the before. Let me zoom in right here. There we go. Look at this. Before just looked extremely dull and just, you know, blah. And it doesn't even match with this silver trim right here. And you can see how this matches with this. And so this will just give it a nice upgraded look. So let's see how easy this is. Let's take it out the bag right here. It definitely probably the same material as something like this. I mean, these are all plastic pieces. This is definitely plastic. And on the back right here, you just have some tape, double-sided sticky tape like this that you just peel off. So let me just do that right now, and there we have it, guys. Make sure you don't touch the black gray pieces, whatever you want to call it, and just basically turn it around and stick it on there very carefully, you know, in the corners, starting on the top. Get it nice and snug in these corners right here, as you can see, and basically just push it down, squeeze it down, and you can see it's already done. And holy crap, this actually looks a ton better. Just give it a little bit more push, guys, and then let's see the finished product. And would you look at that? That just looks so much better than before. I mean, it matches with that, matches with that, and matches with that. And you can see on the other side it's just a dark, you can't see anything, and it doesn't match with anything. It just looks kind of plain. This looks a little bit, it gives it a little higher touch. It's not for everyone. It's just something that I wanted to do. And also I wanted to put some more trim pieces, like the center console right there. There's some more trim pieces that this same company has, okay? So I'll leave the links in the description below. It has trim pieces for this guy, the black spot. It has a huge trim piece for the center console part right here. It's really awesome. I'm definitely gonna probably most likely get that to give it a nice clean silver look instead of a black look right there. Give it an upgraded look, and you can see, look, just very easy install. Took me like 5 minutes. Now I'm going to do the other side and show you how it looks before and after. So I'm on the passenger side right here, and make sure you wipe down any kind of mess or dirt or anything that's on here, because you want to make sure that it sticks on correctly. So yeah, make sure everything is clean, and we're gonna do a snapping before and after on this guy. So this is how it looks before. If you like it black, like Stradben says, when it's gone, it's gone. There we go. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, and just looks so much better. If you want to see before, this is before, and this is after. You guys have to agree that just looks so much cleaner instead of just being black. So I like the trim. It looks stock and very subtle, but yet you can tell there's a little bit more oomph in your vehicle. So that's awesome. I like this one. I like that one. You can, man, I'm already liking it. Look at that. It looks awesome right there. That, you know, it used to be black. And I'm gonna do the back right here, and let me just show you how they look right now. You can already see it just like the other ones. It just looks plain, doesn't match with anything, and looks very dark. But now let's fix that. Let's install it on both sides, and I'm gonna show you how they look. I just had to stop real fast and just show you how beautiful that looks on that side, and I can't wait to just start doing it on this side. Look at, I mean, yeah, okay. Alrighty guys, and that is it. We're done. We have the first door right here, the second door right there. As you can see, it just looks a lot better than before. Looks like you have a higher model of this vehicle. The next thing, what I want to do from the same company, I saw that they have the silver things for these. They also have silver plating for this guy right here, around here. I don't know if I'm gonna get that, but this looks kind of bland and just, you know, black. If I got the silver plating, it will match this right here. And then last but not least, they also have silver plating for this entire middle section right here. All this black right here is gonna be silver. Really nice. All of this entire plate right here, not this or anything like that. So it's gonna be very subtle. It's gonna match this right here and just give it a nice upgraded look. That's what I'm looking for. But yeah, this is very simple guys, extremely simple. And like I said, if you require the other type, if you have the higher model with the 3 buttons on the door, here we go. I'll leave those links in the description as well. I'll pretty much leave all the links I've talked about, even the valve cover, and I also installed the valve caps on the Genesis, you can see, and you can see it right there. It looks very classy. They do have an extra one in every package. You can see here's one, and there are 5 in that one. So I can't wait to install those on the red truck. They have different colors as well, guys. I'll leave the link in the description section below. But this was a very easy install, and I am absolutely liking this outcome, guys. And I know you will love it. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase everything that I've talked about is going to be in the description section of the video below. I'm going to label it properly and have it in the description section. If you're watching this on Facebook, it's going to be around the video, okay? Don't worry about it. And if you have any problems, just comment, you know, and I will direct you straight to that link. But yeah, I think hands down, this is one of the most easiest mods, and but yet just looks OEM and just gives it a more of an upgraded look to the vehicle that I've ever done, I gotta say. I mean, and I'm extremely satisfied with it. Some of you guys know I took a vacation on a cruise out of Galveston. I met quite a few. I think I met like 5 people that actually noticed me on that cruise. That was pretty awesome. It's a small world, guys. So if you do see me, make sure you say hi. Don't be shy. I'm not a mean person. Hey, if you want to say hi, talk to me, tell me in person your questions and stuff. Don't worry, just say hi. But other than that, guys, there should be a video button and also subscribe button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep just share saying thanks for watching and peace.